Hello everyone. In this video we'll solve a beautiful maths question. This problem 9 to the power square root x is equal to square root down 27 power x. X is equal to what? How to solve this question? It is an interesting math because of that here is the square root. Okay, but look, here is 9, this is 27, so I can solve this question easily. So let's start. Our question is 9 to the power square root x is equal to 27 power x, and here is the square root. Yes, then I can easily look 9, it will be 3 to the power 2. Yes, you know that 3 to the power 2 it will be 9, and power square root x is equal to, and in this expression I can easily look 27, it will be 27 power x and whole to the power half. Because of that square root it will be half. Yes, I use here is exponent. Then this equation, look, I can easily 3 to the power 2 times square root x, according to exponential law we know that it will be 3 to the power 2 square root x is equal to, it will be 27 power x over 2. I multiply both exponent, x times 1 over 2 it will be x over 2. Yes, then I can easily this equation becomes 3 to the power 2 square root x is equal to 27, it will be 3 to the power 3. Look, 3 times 3 times 3 it will be 27 times it will be x over 2. Yes, then I can easily this equation becomes 3 to the power 2 square root x is equal to 3 to the power 3 times x, it will be 3x over 2. I solved this question step by step. Now this expression I can easily, it is basically same, so according to exponential law I can say this exponent is equal, so it will be 2 square root x is equal to 3x over 2. Then I multiply both sides by 2. We'll find out, look, here is 2 square root x times 2 is equal to 3x over 2 times 2. I multiply both sides by 2 to cancel. We'll find out here is 4 square root x is equal to 3x. Yes, then if I use both sides whole square, so it will be square root x 3x. I use both sides whole square. Yes, then this equation becomes, look, it will be 16x. Because of that square root is cancelled, 4 squared it will be 16, and here is 9x squared. Yes, then I can easily 9x squared, how? 3 to the power 2 it will be 9, x to the power 2 it will be x squared. Then I can say this equation it will be 9x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Let's move on this, in this side it will be negative according to equation. Then I can say easily here is, look, x is common, so x, so 9x squared divide x it will be 9x minus 16x divide x it will be 16 is equal to 0. Yes, so we'll find out here is two case. Our first case x is equal to 0, easily I can say easily x is equal to 0. Another case we'll find out 9x minus 16 is equal to 0. Then I can say easily 9x is equal to 16. Then if I divide both sides 9 we'll find out x is equal to 16 over 9. Yes, so our final answer is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 16 over 9. This is the final answer in this maths question. So let's check out. Our question is 9 to the power square root x is equal to square root 27 power x. Look, if I take this value x is equal to 0, so 9 to the power square root 0 it will be 0 is equal to, and it will be square root 27 power 0. Yes, so I can say easily here is, look, 9 to the power 0 is equal to 1, and we know that 27 power 0 it will be also 1, so 1 is equal to 1, so I can say x is equal to 0. It is our right answer. So but in this expression x is equal to 16 over 9. Okay, so here is 9 to the power square root x is equal to square root 27 power x. Yes, Now if I put this value in this expression, I can say 9 to the power square root 16 over 9 is equal to, look, it will be square root 27, it will be 3 to the power 3, yes, times x is equal to 16 over 9. We know that 3 to the power 3, it will be 27, yes. Then I can say it will be 9 to the power 9, I can say 9, it will be 3, yes, and 3 to the power 2, it will be 9, and 16 over 9, it will be 4 over 3 is equal to 3 to the power, look, this cancel, it will be 3, so we find out 16 over 3, and we know that is square root, it will be half, yes. Then I can say it will be 3 to the power 2 times 4, it will be 8, and here is 3, here is 3, and in this expression 3 to the power, if I cross out 16 divide 2, it will be 8, so I can say 8 over 3. So left hand side and right hand side is equal, so I can say that x is equal to 16 over 9. This is our right answer. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for other interesting video. Goodbye, take care.